Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to easily start a Lamborghini Aventador. First, you'll want to get inside and settle into the driver's seat. Look for the distinctive red flip-up cover located prominently in the center console, usually near the gear selector. This cover protects the engine's start button. Gently flip it up to expose the button underneath, preparing for the next step in bringing this magnificent machine to life. Now that the start button is revealed, insert the key into the ignition slot, typically found on the steering column, and turn it to the on position. This powers up the vehicle's electrical systems. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal with your right foot. This is a crucial safety measure. Double-check that the transmission is in neutral, which should be clearly displayed on the digital instrument cluster, ensuring a smooth start. With the key turned and the brake pedal depressed, it's time for the main event. Press the now illuminated engine start button once. You'll hear the starter motor engage, followed by the unmistakable, thunderous roar of the Aventador's 6.5-liter V12 engine. Hold the button for just a moment until the engine catches and settles into a steady idle. Once it's running, you can release the button and prepare for an exhilarating drive. After the engine has started, take a moment to observe the dashboard. All warning lights should extinguish within a few seconds, indicating the car's systems are operating correctly. It's always a good practice to allow the engine to warm up for a couple of minutes, especially the powerful V12, before engaging in spirited driving. Finally, select your preferred driving mode, such as Strada, Sport, or Corsa, using the dedicated buttons on the center console, and you are ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.